Pelicad offers you two ways to interact with your 3D file and select objects. The first way is selection by geometry. This mirrors the whole setup of your 3D planning file with all its singular and grouped elements. This means once you group certain elements in your planning file, this grouping is also mirrored in Pelicad itself. Let's imagine we want to select a certain element of the upper floor. We just click on it and have selected the whole building. In the next click, we move to the next level of the hierarchy. And click again, up to the lowest part of the hierarchy, the individual element. As you can see, if we now select the next element, we stay in this hierarchy level. If we hold Shift and click on other elements, we basically group them. If you want to lose this selection, simply click into the void. Once we click on the model again, we start on the highest level on the hierarchy. The second option is selection by materials. If you applied certain materials to your geometry, we will also mirror them and allow you to select elements based on these materials. Materials in this case can also simply be colors. Let's do this. We simply select materials in the lower bar and then move, for instance, to the roof of the building, select it, and only the roof of the building with its individual material is selected. We deselect again by clicking into the void.